You can use the ifs function to check whether one or more conditions are met and returns a value that corresponds to the first true condition. To begin, click in the empty cell, equal sign, type ifs, and select the function. Next step, we're going to put the first condition, B2, superior or equal to 100. This is an example of a table for students in my classroom for which I want to attribute grades according to their scores. Here it is. So if B2, the score, is superior or equal to 100, the system, or 90, Excel will put quotation marks, A grade, another comma, the next again, B2, superior or equal to 80, comma, second criteria, we're going to give it a B, and always quotation mark. Again, comma, B2, superior or equal to 70, comma, quotation mark, we're going to give it a C. You can apply as many conditions as you want. And B2, superior or equal to 60, quotation marks again, D, and finally B2 inferior to 60, quotation marks, and F, quotation marks, and closing parenthesis, and hit enter. Normally you should get no errors. Now we're going to replicate this function in the remaining. And as you can see, Excel has attributed based on the score and my conditions, it has attributed to each student a grade.